Log into iShare portal. In the form management section, select your surveyor and click this link. You will be redirected to WebDCA portal. Here you can see we have logged in as a college nodal officer. On the left side, it shows your latest year of participation in iShare survey. And on the right side, it shows your iShare code and institute name. The user details are on the top right corner. The first page in the web DCF is instruction page. Please read these instructions carefully before filling up the form. These are the instructions. Initially, only DCF survey status and basic information menus will be visible. All of the other modules will be visible only after saving the basic details. Click on the menu. If you have participated in the survey before, some of your details will be pre-filled. On every page, there are two buttons, Save and Lock. After entering all the data, click Save button to submit, and after submitting the data, click the Lock button. Upon clicking the Lock button, the page will be locked and you won't be able to make any changes on the data of that page. However, if you click Lock directly without clicking the Save button, the pre-filled information will be saved and no updated information will be saved in our database. To save any updated information, please click the Save button first and then click the Lock button. The field marked with star are mandatory fields. Click on the Save button. As you can see, the record has been saved and updated successfully. Now, after saving all the details, we can lock this page. Click on Yes. Now you can see this page is locked and you won't be able to make any changes. Now let's come to address. Fill all the required fields. And click on Save. The information on this page is also saved and now we can lock this page. As you can see, this page is locked. Now let's come to university form. For university users, there are certain fields which are extra in this basic information. After filling all the data, click Save. The data is saved. Now we can log this page. Click Yes. As you can see, after saving the details, basic details, all of the other menus are visible now. If we don't need to update any information on this page, we can just click Save and then click Lock. The information is locked now. Now let's come to standalone. Click here to add another hostel. Click Save. Your information has been saved. Now click Lock. If we don't need to change any information, we can just click Lock. As you can see, the page is locked now, and its status in this tab, DCF survey status, you can see basic details and address pages are logged now.